Here are some steps you can follow to learn anything, anywhere. Identify your goals. What do you want to learn and why? This will help you stay motivated and focused. Find resources. Look for books, articles, videos, and courses that relate to your goals. Consider both free and paid resources. Create a study plan. Decide how much time you want to dedicate to learning each day or each week, and stick to it. Practice active learning. Engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing key points, and doing related exercises or projects. Stay accountable. Find a study partner, join a study group, or work with a tutor to help you stay on track. Get feedback. Ask for feedback from others, and reflect on what you have learned and how you can improve. Apply what you learn. Find opportunities to apply what you have learned in real-world situations. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and it takes time and effort to achieve your goals. Be patient, stay motivated, and enjoy the process.